Start with the name of Allah, who is kind and merciful. Hi friends, you are watching my YouTube channel AL-MARWAH. Friends, today I will tell you about patience. So guys should be watching the full video. And later click the like icon, write the views in comment box, and subscribe my YouTube channel for further videos. Let's go to the video.
Hi Dad.
Hi Virginie.
Dad, tell me something about patience.
Patience.
Yes Dad, patience.
Virginie, today I'll tell about how important patience in Islam religion.
Islam.
Yes Virginie, Islam. In Islam's holy book Quran, said Allah told us that I will be with those who have patience. Virginie, patience is the exam of Allah to prove that how much we are near to Allah. Patience is the key to reach the God. Everyone needs to be patient in difficult time. Today we have many problems in our lives. We need to face and fight ourselves problems with be patience. Here one quote I would be also want to tell about patience, from the Islam's first Imam Ali.
Imam Ali.
Imam Ali, pious leader of Islam, not just Islam but the whole world. He is the intellectuals in Islam, and his quotes about whole things always be remembered still yet. Hazrat Ali told us many quotes about patience, but I will tell you some of them, which is that.
Yes Dad, which is?
1. Patience is that a man bears whatever afflicts him and swallows his anger. 2. Through patience, great things are accomplished. 3. I will be patient, until even patience tries of my patience.
Nice Dad.
Today we must need of patience in our lives. We are creating many thinkings and making nonsense of life. That's why we face it anger, fear, hasting, and also we are turning away from God.
Thank you for giving me such knowledge.
I hope you have learned something today and will always be patient in difficult times.
Yes Dad.
Friends, I made this video because of today we need the patience into getting out the problems for the rest of life. And now it's time to face the problems with patience and getting out of this. And try to be patient in your life. Here I want to suggest you friends that read the books or Google it, about the Hazrat Ali's life. His bravery, making decisions, intellectual power and much more. Guys, if you are like my video then, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to click on bell icon. And tell me about this video. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel.